viewers, welcome to our election-related special bulletin. Let's quickly see the fifth story. In a surprising development, the voter turnout in Kashmir has surpassed that of Mumbai. Baramulla Lok Sabha constituency in the Kashmir Valley pushed the polling percentage to 59% on May 20 in the fifth phase of Lok Sabha election. The previous highest voter turnout in the constituency was witnessed in 1984 at 58.9%. Coming to Mumbai, the city recorded a turnout of 52.27%, lower than that in 2019 in the general elections on Monday. Robert Vadra has opened up on his political aspirations. He expressed his commitment to serving the people of India and hinted at a future in active politics. He emphasized that his potential entry into politics would be based on his hard work, not merely his association with the Gandhi family. Here's what he said.
मैं अपने तरीके से बदलाव करता हूं, पर जरूरत है कि जिस तरीके की राजनीति हुई है उसमें आपको और सीखना पड़ेगा और समझना पड़ेगा कि आप उस टाइम पे आप अपने कदम रखिए। तो मुझे लगता है कि देर नहीं है, होगा जो भी होगा, जैसे भी होगा, आगे मैं जरूर राजनीति में शामिल होऊंगा।
One person was killed and two seriously injured in an exchange of fire between BJP and RJD workers in post-poll violence in Saran on Tuesday as the district administration suspended internet service as a precautionary measure. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday hit back at Union Home Minister Amit Shah, saying that he had become so arrogant that he was calling the people of Delhi and other parts of the country who voted for Aam Aadmi Party Pakistanis. You have not become Prime Minister yet and neither will you become one, said Kejriwal. This remarks came in response to Shah's comment that the Aam Aadmi Party was corrupt and that the supporters of Kejriwal and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi are not in India but in Pakistan.
कल अमित शाह जी दिल्ली आए थे। दिल्ली आकर उन्होंने देश के लोगों को अनर्गल गाली गलौज करना चालू किया। उन्होंने कहा कि आम आदमी पार्टी के सपोर्टर पाकिस्तानी हैं। मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, दिल्ली के लोगों ने हमें 62 सीट 56% वोट शेयर देके सरकार बनाई है, क्या दिल्ली के लोग पाकिस्तानी हैं?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi claimed that the opposition India alliance has been completely defeated in the fifth phase of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections polling, which was held on Monday. PM Modi also said that India of the 21st century can't march ahead with the sins of the India alliance. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.